Okay. Now let it go forward. Let me push it. I'm pushing very hard. Okay. That's strong, no? Very strong.
And that's going at 3 meters a minute, which is the speed that you
3 meters a minute. Yeah.
That's going at 6 meters per minute.
So you go 3. Can you go slower? Slower than 3?
How long fast do you want to go?
Slower? Much slower?
That's going at 1.5 meters a minute.
1.5 meters a minute. Oh, so I think 3 meters is more what we want.
Yeah, that's 1.
It's fairly quiet now, huh?
Yeah.
So the slower it goes, the more quiet it gets, basically. That's the speed I want. Yes, that's going to look very nice.
I'll tell you that is
Okay, now I've got it.
1.5 meters a minute exactly.
1.5 meters, yeah. 1.5 meters a minute. That sounds nice. Okay, good. Thank you.